Alright everybody, I just ordered this Genie ChainLift Plus from HomeDepot.com. It came in the box, had been kind of busted open a little bit, so that kind of stinks. But I've already opened the box and taken a look at it a little bit, and everything seems to be intact. I'm not missing anything, nothing seems to be broken. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. That's what's happening today. So what's in the box? Well, you open it up, take a look. You've got 3 different boxes labeled here, your motor unit there, and the all-important instructions here. Those look like a couple of light covers for the unit. Let's see, what's in this box? A couple of brackets. I'm going to keep all this stuff in its original place, that way when I'm going through the instructions, installing it, I know where everything is. Here are my little safety sensors. Down here in the 3rd box, got my wireless opener. This is like openers and cabling, the part that goes on the wall, all that good stuff. So then we have our motor unit, a couple of brackets here, get that thing out of here, all of our tracking, chain drive. That looks like it's about it. So there you have it. We're going to install this bad boy. First thing I got to do is remove the old unit though. So I'm going to go ahead and do